Alright, we got this BMW X3. Well used. Got some dings and dents and some scratches, some missing pieces. It'll crank, but it'll be no start. Missing a trim piece there. Lights are a little faded. I like the front ends of them BMWs. Seems like a lot of people have problems with them though. Scratches, dings and dents. Windows is messed up. So we used a little bit. Back end bumpers messed up. Bumper stickers. Remember when bumper stickers used to be the thing, man? Sometimes you see them just plastered all over the back. Good for advertisement. Truck's looking pretty good. Here's the bathroom. Let's roll.